to Bad Moon Cafe. I'm Jasmine and it is time for Modern Horizons 3. I'm so excited. I want all the Eldrazi, all the fetch lands. Let's see what I get in my pre-release pack. Wish me luck. Okay, here's my pre-release pack. Oh, I love Modern Horizons sets. It's fantastic how a set designed for modern players has so many good cards for Commander. Not that that's my only, well, it's kind of mostly what I play. Ooh, got my promo pack, got my 6-packs and some gumph. Okay, going straight in for my paper packet promo. Ooh. Bum bum bum. Oh, Stormdrake. Oh, and those, because there's double-sided cards. Excellent. Right, first pack. What is everyone hoping to get in their pre-release? Obviously, it's Eldrazi all the way. Can't go wrong with some of the most expensive, both financially and to get on the table, colorless cards. Ooh. Also love, ooh, hello. First rare there. Second rare, of course. Still getting used to play boosters. And a swamp and a gremlin. How do we all feel about energy counters being back? I was quite a big fan of the Kaladesh block myself. Do like a good artifact set. Ooh. Going through the commons into the uncommons. Ooh. One of our. Oh, sorry, I just seen a medallion. Love a medallion. Oh, hello. I mean, he's a lot of fun. Fantastic. Okay, very happy with that mythic. Ooh. And a foily and a sign. Spawn even. Ooh. Quite happy that the enchantment creatures are back as well in a big way. Oh, hello. Sorry, checking out a common goblin. As you do. How do you feel about the Eldrazi, a lot of them just being extended by default? I think that's really cool. I really like how they've gone about that. False gods, nice. Excellent. Yay! What a cutie! Oh, and a foily land. Okay. What deck would you all be building with these cards so far? I'm not hitting any of the massive Eldrazi yet. Obviously, I've just assumed every single pack will have Ulamog. But I think that's fair. Power creep and all that. Ooh. Eldrazi Goblin. Fantastic. Ooh. Of course. Some of the old borders are in there as well. Lovely. Guide of Souls for the rare. Ooh! Oh, I'm all right with that. Foily Mythic. Fantastic. Oh, and they've got the full art as well. Forgot about that. Can't go wrong with a full art land. Okay. Not seen any of the new rare lands cycle as well. But that's all right. Just holding out for a fetchy. Ooh. My Eldrazi there. I can see something full up. Ooh. Okay. Not bad. And a foily. And a foily. Last booster. Right. Of course, if I don't get any of the amazing pulls, that means the pre-release packs in the box going for our event on Friday will have better packs. That's how it works, right? vehicle. Oh. Ooh, not bad there. I'm so happy they printed 6. Love it. Okay. Him again. Hello. A foilie and a swamp. Thank you so much for watching. Are you excited? Did you get a ticket for pre-release weekend? If you didn't, don't worry. There are other events on our website. Check it out and have a lovely day. Bye.